Let me show you how easy it is to make this amazing ice cream cake. This cake requires only 3 ingredients and 5 minutes of hands-on work. Looks stunning, but most importantly, it's delicious. It's the perfect treat to make this summer that everyone will love. Let's talk about the cookie layers. Personally, I like to use chocolate wafer cookies, but feel free to choose any type or flavor that tickles your taste buds. However, if you want a really precise pattern, I would opt for a square or rectangular cookie. Round cookies will give the cake a more rounded look. Will the cake be delicious? Absolutely. So use whatever cookie you like. Set those aside and let's work on the ice cream layer. You'll need cold heavy cream and optional but recommended vanilla extract. Now you want to use a cold bowl. I just pop mine in the freezer for a few minutes prior to making the ice cream base. Heavy cream whips up only if it's cold. It's summer, it's hot, so by using a cold bowl and cold heavy cream, this ice cream base will whip up within minutes. You want to whip up the cream to medium peaks and add cold sweetened condensed milk in the stream while continuing to whip. We're looking for a creamy but firm and pipeable ice cream base. Now you have 2 options. You can either assemble the cake using a spoon or a spatula, but if you want a really precise look, use a piping bag. You do not need a piping nozzle. The piping bag will just help you achieve equal amounts of ice cream between each layer, so you'll have a consistent result throughout your cake. This cake is very similar to an icebox cake, or what some people refer to as a fridge cake or a cold cake, with the exception, of course, that this is an actual ice cream cake. It goes in the freezer. If you like quick and easy cakes like this one, I've got many more in my new cookbook, Simple Pleasures. I'll leave a link below. You're going to pipe the ice cream base onto a cookie and sandwich it with another cookie and continue assembling your ice cream cake. Now I find it's a lot easier to create 4 or 5 blocks of cake in my hand and then place each block of cake onto the cutting board, edge side up. It's faster and it's easier. But you can also add 1 cookie at a time. Do whatever works for you. What I love about this cake is that it doesn't require a mold or a cake pan. So you can choose to make this cake as big or as small as you like. Make this for your family, for yourself, or for a big party or barbecue. You want to cover the cake entirely with the ice cream mixture. Remember to work as quickly as you can. We want to keep the ice cream base as cold as possible. You're going to pop the cake in the freezer for at least 8 hours. I just leave mine overnight. You're going to take the cake out of the freezer 15 minutes before serving, and you can serve this however you like. You can drizzle some chocolate sauce on top, some caramel, maybe add some crushed Oreos. I'm going to keep mine very simple today and just add sprinkles. Now, how cool do these layers look? If you're looking for a fun treat to cool you off this summer, you and your family will love this. Okay, this is how I like to eat it. I'm gonna show you. You pull apart the layers and you eat one by one. So good.